Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is the United Nation. So let's talk about it. Following World War 1914 to 1918, a need was felt for an international organization that would help them maintain world peace and order. It was with this aim in view that the League of Nations was formed in 1919. In 1944, representatives of China, the United Kingdom, the United States, and the Soviet Union met in the Washington DC to lay down the foundation for an international organization. On 26 June 1945, countries signed the Charter of UN, United Nations. The charter came into force on 24 October 1945. Presently, the UN has 193 member states. The UN came into existence with the aim of bringing all the nations of the world together to work towards global peace and development. It finds its root in the principles of justice, human self-respect, and security of all. The UN emblem is the world enclosed in the olive branches of peace. These are the parts of UN. So let's talk about it. Number 1. The General Assembly. The members meet in the General Assembly to vote world opinion. Each country is entitled to single vote to be cast during a time of decision making and being the most important part of the UN. Number 2. The Security Council is responsible for international peace and security. In its time of conflicts in any part of world, the Security Council conduct the peace talk to maintain harmony, and it send peacekeeping force to places affected by wars. Number 3. The Economic and Social Council manage the problems that are related to issues such as famine, drought, poverty, and illiteracy. Number 4. The International Court of Justice settles legal disputes submitted by the member of state. Secretariat. The Secretariat maintains record or file of the meeting held by the UN, and the head of the UN Secretariat is the Secretary General. The UN has its own flag, post office, as well as postage stamps, and it has 6 official languages: Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April each year. Various events to promote good, healthy living are held on this day. International Earth Day, celebrated on 22nd April each year, is a day to re-evaluate our responsibility towards our planet and the environment. On this day, we renew our pledge to take care of the earth by planting new saplings. International Labour Day, celebrated on 1 May every year. It is celebrated to honor all those who work in factories, workshops, industries, and mills. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year to create and spread more awareness about preserving the environment. UN General Assembly decided to celebrate 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, as World Non-Violence Day. This was done to commemorate the Gandhi ideology of non-violence. So let's talk about the fact about the United Nations. So let's talk about it. Number 1. The UN has almost 200 member states. There are currently 196 members state in the United Nations. Number 2. Branches and programs of UN received the Nobel Peace Prize second times. Number 3. United Nations was proposed in 1942. Number 4. The UN has 6 official languages. There are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Number 5. The UN has its own news site. Number 6. The priorities a specific global issue, conflicts resolution and peacekeeping are the main efforts of the United Nations. Number 7. The UN hosts International Court Heartedness, the main body of the United Nations judicial system in the International Court of Justice. Number 8. The UN has 36 specialized agencies, programs and partnerships. Number 9. The official emblem hasn't changed since 1946. Number 10. The UN has the first recorded definition of human rights. Kids, tell me, who is the CEO of UN? And write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the United Nations. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel, or also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you.